What's up, guys? This is a turkey taco with a buffalo pineapple slaw. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little bit of this slaw, I'm gonna stick it in my turkey taco here. Ooh. All right, let's see. Yeah, guys, definitely check this out. Let's go. All right, guys, for the slaw, we're gonna need some carrots. We're gonna need to shave those carrots down. We're gonna take those carrots, we're gonna put them in a bowl. We're gonna get some green cabbage. We're gonna get some purple cabbage. Then go ahead and slather some hot sauce on top. Slice up some pineapple. Place the pineapple into the bowl. Go ahead and give it a good mix. Then add some cashews. Cut up some green onions and place on top. Go ahead and mince some garlic up. Put the turkey in the frying pan. Throw the garlic on top. Add some salt. Add some pepper. Add some onion powder, add some rosemary, and then some thyme. And let's see the chef work her magic. Turkey's all done. Give it a taste test. Yep, perfect. Cut some cheese. Get yourself some corn tortillas. Go ahead and melt the cheese on the corn tortillas in a frying pan. And today this meal is going to feed a family of 3. Yep, cheese looks melted. Alright, now go ahead and stuff your tacos with some turkey meat. Throw a little extra hot sauce on top as well. Load your plate full of slaw. And there you have it, turkey tacos with buffalo pineapple slaw.